Welcome to the Chatham by HHHuntHomes, a thoughtfully designed home with flexible living spaces for every lifestyle. This home offers up to 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms depending on the options you choose. Step inside the foyer and discover a bright flex room, perfect for a home office, playroom, or a formal dining area. Just beyond, the open kitchen features a large center island, walk-in pantry, and ample cabinet and counter space. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the Nook and spacious family room, creating the ideal space for gatherings. In this model, we opted for a morning room and a screened-in porch, allowing you to enjoy fresh air and additional living space. You will also find a private study and a convenient powder room on the first floor, along with access to the 2-car garage. Upstairs, the primary suite is a true retreat with a large bedroom, spa-inspired bath with optional dual vanities, 2 linen closets, and an oversized walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms, each with walk-in closets, share a full bath. A central loft provides the perfect spot for a media room, home gym, or play area, while the second-floor laundry room adds everyday convenience. The Chatham also offers the option of a finished 3rd floor. This versatile space can be transformed into a guest suite, private office, or a game room. With stylish design, flexible spaces, and over 2,500 square feet of living area, the Chatham is the perfect place to call home. Visit HHHuntHomes.com today to schedule your private tour.